Hey, good morning. Welcome to Nature Kids at McLive. I'm putting the bird feeders out this morning, and I have a tray feeder. Just a minute, let me go get it. Here we go. The tray feeder has some cracked corn. The doves love that, and I think doves are pretty. So let's put this down here. Well, I wanted to tell you all why I put the feeders out in the morning. Do you hear the birds? They're hungry. That's right. I haven't had breakfast yet either. We're working on it. I also take the feeders in at night. Do you know why? Well, because when the sun starts to go down, the birds are done eating. And they fly up to their nest, they roost in the trees, they go to sleep in the bushes. And so I bring the feeders in. But last night, I was a little bit late. And do you know who else comes out? Feeds on birdseed? But they're not birds. Take a look. How about that? Mama and two babies. Those raccoons sure were cute. The babies are called kits. Yes. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let the birds eat their breakfast. I'm going to go inside and fix my French toast. So I hope you guys have a great day. Go visit the Raccoon County Public Library, mclib.net, where you'll find more of our programs on nature and all other kinds of programs for you kids. We'll see you later.